Hi there, I'm Bolter from nabtrade. Welcome to our third video in the Introduction to IRESS ViewPoint video series, designed to help you become more confident with using IRESS ViewPoint. In video 2, we covered the preparation before the market opened, reviewing overnight markets via a designated watch list and your open positions via your portfolio, and ensuring you have the platform set up and ready to go for the trading day. In this video, the market is open and trading. We will look at some of the activities you can utilize with ViewPoint to assist your monitoring activities throughout the day, as well as identifying new opportunities for you to consider prior to placing any orders. Because every trader is different, you have 6 worksheets you can set up, each with different widgets to facilitate your own style of investing. Today we'll look at the widgets you can use for when the market is open. So let's get started. Monitoring the overall market can be done through the Market Map widget, which provides a visual representation of the overall market and is color-coded to show the securities that are the most up or down for the day. It may initially look very busy, but after a while many traders become familiar with this and see it as a great snapshot of what's going on. They will then monitor it, coming back to review it at different times throughout the day. There are also a number of filters associated with this widget, enabling further drilling down to suit your trading style. Another widget that I find particularly powerful is the Market Activity feature. This provides an up-to-date view of stocks moving during that session. It also has a number of selection options available to you to focus in on the securities moving during that day. Whether your preference is large, medium or small cap stocks, or perhaps the main sectors, you can focus in and see what is currently moving in real time during that trading day. This feature frequently identifies new stock opportunities that you may not have considered. As you can see, I placed 2 widgets side by side to look at the biggest gainers and losers for the day. This highlights a lot of stocks for future opportunities that you previously may not have been aware of. The power of your watch list setup and allocations can't be understated to keep traders focused on new opportunities. The last video mentioned separate watch lists for reviewing the global markets and latest opportunities that you are considering. I recommend that you set up separate watch lists to monitor any subscription services or market commentators you're following. Also, if you follow particular market themes, such as sectors like financials or materials, or marijuana or biotechs or healthcare, the flexibility of having multiple watch lists allows you to be more efficient with your decision-making process. Broadcasting direct from your watch list to other widgets makes the analysis process quicker and simpler. Rather than having to jump between screens to get the same outcome, having everything set up and accessible on a single page keeps you in control of what's happening in the markets. An example is you watching Macquarie for a period, looking for a move through a certain key price level as a buying opportunity. Having the chart widget supported by market depth and market histogram, it allows you to focus in on that key price level for a market entry. The market depth will reflect your order being in place. Also, the news widget is another key widget utilized during the day by traders and is worth spending time becoming familiar with. Setting the filters to just receive the market talk or the market sensitive news that is available may be more applicable during the trading session. So here I've outlined a few techniques for setting up widgets for market open activities. The more familiar you become with ViewPoint and the widgets available, the easier it will be to have established your preferred setup. I trust these have been valuable for you to consider. For more information on nabtrade IRESS ViewPoint, visit nabtrade.com.au/viewpoint.